When I make campaign in target CPA strategy, I get low impression and click and then low conversions. Yeah. So there are two things which you can straight away look at. Look at your target CPA. If it's too low, Google will not be able to get you the impressions and the clicks and the conversions. And what you want to do, so for example, if you say, I know everybody wants the conversion as low as possible, but there needs to be a number which is feasible. So, for example, if your click cost is, let's say, $20 and you want a conversion at $10, it's not going to happen, right? Or if the click cost is $20 and you want a lead for $20, that means you need to have a 100% conversion rate. That is also not going to happen. So you need to be realistic, or you need to explain this to your client. Look, even if we get one in 5 conversions, 20% conversion rate, which is the minimum you should be going for lead gen, and the click cost is $20, our cost per lead is going to be about 100. And if the client says, well, I'm not prepared to pay so much, then move on, go to the next client, and don't waste your time with those people because they don't understand this game. This is how it is played. The other thing is, if your target CPA is 20, you need to give at least 3 to 5 times the target CPA as your budget. So 20 times 3 is 60, 20 times 5 is 100. The more you give, the better it's going to start working, and the more is going to get impressions, and it's going to start to give you results quickly. Google says give 10 times your target CPA, which would be 200. But we find between 3 and 5 is a good starting point.